Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my aloe vera gel and also my application process, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair. These are all things I've already done on this channel, but just in a different way. So thank you so much for watching again. Make sure you subscribe, you comment, and you like, and you share the video. Thank you so much, and bye. So let's talk about how I haven't touched my hair since my last video. So it's pretty dry. Like, I haven't done anything to it. I need to do better. I'm sure I'm gonna get some breakage. Okay, so because my hair is pretty dry and because I used the amla powder last week, it feels super dry, and it feels like maybe because amla is a protein treatment, and so I should have kept it moisturized throughout the week, but I didn't, and so here we are. Let's take a look at how dry it is. So what I'm going to do is apply my aloe vera gel that I made. You saw that in the previous clip. I'm going to apply it to my hair, and then I think that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to follow up with deep condition, and I'm gonna put my hair in twist. That's the plan. And so stay tuned. I don't know if I'm in frame. Stay tuned, and I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through it because I think you guys have seen me apply my aloe vera gel to my hair before, so I'm gonna just speed through this process, and then I'll be back when it's time to moisturize your hair. It's like breaking. Anyways, I'm going to use warm water. So I have warm water in here. It's not the leave-in conditioner. I just use this as my water bottle. So I have warm water in here. So warm water allows your cuticles to open. That way any products you apply kind of penetrate into the shaft of your hair. And so if you have low porosity hair, you probably want to use warm water when you're doing like applications of like different products, and then again just seal with cold water. But so that's what's in here, and then I'm gonna use this mixture that I made as you saw in the previous clip. This should last me for a week or so. I think after a week it's gonna go bad, so I will have to use this again next week, or maybe if I freeze it I can use it for 2 weeks. So yeah, keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to a podcast, and I will be back when it's time to twist. also something else I wanted to address, like I've been getting some comments about my hair not being thin. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to explain when I say thin. Maybe like your definition of thin is different from mine, but thin simply means that my hair strands itself like are thin. Like the strands of my hair are thin. Okay, so my hair might appear to be thick because I have medium density, and what that means is that I have, even though my hair strands are thin, there are a lot of them. Not a lot to be considered high density, but enough to be considered like medium density. So if I had like really low density, that's when you could probably see my scalp when my hair is down, or my hair will be more flat. But my hair strands are thin, but there are a lot of them. So